postulate 16 or 17 are ready to enter the initiate. Let's consider the doubtful ones again.
Well, after last night, I don't think there can be any doubt about Maria.
I gave her permission to leave the abbey for the day. I told you, Sister Berta.
But she was late.
Sister Sophia, they do not see eye to eye about Maria. How do you feel about her?
I love her very dearly, but she always seems to be in trouble, doesn't she?
Exactly what I say. She climbs a tree and screams for me. Her dress has got a tear.
She waltzes on her way to mass and whistles on the stairs.
And underneath her wimple, she has curls in her hair.
I've even heard her singing in the abbey.
Always late for chapel,
But her penitence is real.
she's always late for everything except for every meal. I hate to have to say it, but I very clearly feel
Maria's not an asset to the abbey.
I'd like to say a word in her behalf and say, Sister Margaret,
Maria makes me laugh. How do you solve a problem like Maria?
how do you catch a cloud and pin it down?
How do you find a word that means Maria? Of the region almost a clown.
Many a thing you know you'd like to tell her. Many a thing she don't you understand.
But how do you make her stay and listen to all you say?
How do you keep away from the sound?
Oh, how do you solve a problem like Maria?
How do you hold on one being in your hand?
When I'm with her, I'm confused. I could focus and confuse, and I never know exactly where I am. She's a darling, she's a lamb. She'll not pass her any past her, won't learn it from his nest.
She could throw a rolling dervish at a whirl.
She is gentle, she is wild, she's a real, she's a cloud. She's an angel.
She's a
How do you solve a problem like Maria? How do you catch a cloud and pin it down? How do you find a word that means Maria? Tell me what the list. Many a thing you know you'd like to tell her. Many a thing she ought to understand. How do you make her say and listen to all you say? How do you keep a wave upon the sand? Oh, how do you solve a problem like Maria? How do you hold me in
Now, my children, I think I should talk to Maria instead of about her. I'm grateful to you all. Sit down, Maria.
Reverend Mother, I was on my knees most of the night because I was late.
We could only think you had lost your way.
I couldn't be lost on that mountain. I was brought up on it. It was that mountain that brought me to you.
Oh?
When I was a little girl, I used to come down the mountain, climb a tree, and look over into your garden. I'd see the sisters at work, and I'd hear them sing on the way to vespers. Many times I went back up that mountain in the dark, singing all the way. And that brings up another transgression.
Maria, it's only here in the abbey that there's a rule about singing.
That's the hardest rule of all for me.
That day you were singing in the gardens, at the top of your voice, I I used to sing that song when I was a child, but I can't quite remember the. Please.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright-colored candles and warm woolen mittens,
Brown paper packages,
my own dreams.
these are a few of my favorite things. Gray-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels,
Doorbells and sleigh bells and tinsel with noodles.
wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things.
Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes.
Snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes.
Silver white winters that melt into spring.
These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so
Reverend Mother, where did you learn that song?
I was brought up on that mountain myself. Now tell me, what is the most important lesson you've learned here?
To find out what is the will of God and to do it.
Well, Maria, it seems to be the will of God that you leave us.
Leave? Oh no, Mother. This is what I want. This is my life.
But are you ready for it? Perhaps if you go out into the world again for a time, you will come back to us knowing what we expect of you, and that we do expect it.
I know what you expect, and
Maria,
if it is God's will. But where am I to go?
there's a family of 7 children. They need a governess until September.
September.
Captain Von Trapp expects you this afternoon. He's a fine man and a brave one. He won a medal for heroism in the Adriatic.
A captain in the Navy? Oh, Mother, he'll be very strict.
You're not being sent to his battleship. God bless you, Maria.